think that Microsoft rebranding to D365 is more than a rebrand, it's a strategy and a game changing. You've been hearing probably about digital transformation. So that's what Microsoft D365 is. It's not just a standalone ERP anymore. It's an ERP that can be surrendered for a lot of different solutions, which are basically building the D365 entire solution. So let's say D365 for sales integrated with finance and operations, talent, PSA, you have Teams, SharePoint. So I think that's more than a rebranding, that's the sense to change from what it was AX and standalone ERP, NAV and standalone ERP, to D365 F&O, something that can be surrendered for all Microsoft products. We've been introduced to a concept that it's called Workspaces. So imagine that you just walk in your office and depending on your role and your position in the company, you just turn on your computer, you go to your workspace, and in one screen, you have every single task that you need to perform every day. So it's without looking into your emails, without looking into your voicemail, without looking into your SharePoint, you just got there, you get into your workspace, and there it goes. You will see what are your open tasks, what has been closed, who's working on what, depending on your position. Provide outputs and inputs from one department to another. Right? It's classic stuff like in every single monthly close for a lot of companies. We know that we need to perform some tasks as an AP, an AR guy, and GL guy, inventory, production, but how do we communicate effectively every single task status? Right now I can tell a lot of companies say telephone, emails, I'm done, and I cannot manage my time in a smart way because I don't know when or what's the timeline for a different department. Well, that's something, again, it's Microsoft Dynamics 365 Finance and Operations allow us to have a financial closing process where I will know which tasks are assigned to me, what's my due date, what's my deadline, and I can communicate that to other departments so they can manage their time effectively. Flexibility comes with integration. Even when Microsoft Dynamics 365 has inside of it the possibility to manage almost any type of company, services, manufacturing, doesn't matter if it's process, lean, discrete, warehouse management, third-party logistics centers, transportation management, fixed assets. Let's talk about collaboration with vendors and customers, collaboration with external systems. How easy is to connect Microsoft Dynamics? Microsoft Dynamics 365 is a web-based system, right? So we can connect web services, we can connect Excel spreadsheets, we can connect any EDI tool to it by the usage of data management.
I think why Microsoft is really the full technology stack. It's not just the ERP, CRM solutions. It's really taking your technology from a holistic perspective. It's not only the hardware, but it's the software and it's the systems and modules together. A lot of other competitors out there might have a solution for financial management, but they don't have other applications that can they integrate? Sure, but it's not really out of the box, allows them to kind of plug and play the different modules together. I think that's the difference with Microsoft, is we bring not only a specific ERP solution to the table, but we bring solutions, whether it be Office 365, 365 for sales, service, field service, marketing automation, the whole spectrum of products can be solutioned within one Microsoft technology stack.